Hello YouTube. If you want to make your Linux system bootable from both older legacy BIOS systems and newer UEFI-based ones, you have found the right video. If you don't know if you have installed your system using BIOS or UEFI, here is how to figure it out. Enter this command into the terminal. If the output is empty, you are running via legacy BIOS. If the output is something else, you are using UEFI and can skip forward into the video. Now that we know we can fix the problem, you need to have a properly formatted efi system partition mounted at boot/efi. Use gparted to check this. Then just paste these commands into the terminal, and after reboot the system will be able to boot through both BIOS and UEFI. Sudo update-grub. Now if you already have a system bootable through UEFI, with a disk with GPT, GUID partition table, and need to add an option to boot through legacy BIOS mode, here is how to do it. Using one of the first commands, you can make sure you are using the EFI system. With the second command, you can check if the disk has a GPT, rather than MBR. But this is usually the case. Next, you need to make a partition for the legacy BIOS boot using gparted. The size can be 1 MB, the name can be legacy boot, but it needs to be flagged as BIOS_grub. Now paste the commands in terminal. Replace the /sdx to your appropriate device. Often /sda. Sudo update-grub. And now when you refresh gparted, you can see the change. Your system is now able to boot through both BIOS and UEFI. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if this helped you, and see you later. Bye.